Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Aquarius moving into August. So watch this video if you're an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And by the way, we saw the King of Wands and the Page of Cups as soon as I cut the deck, which shows that there could be someone who's having a lot of passion for you. So this person might also be keeping tabs on you. There's a lot of passion, fiery passion. And with the Page of Cups, I see that they want to come towards some of you. This person wants to apologize. For others of you, they want a message. We'll see, because Page of Cups is a messenger card. We'll see what it is. How is it going to show up in your readings? We'll see that. Alright, so give me present energy for Aquarius, please. Queen of Cups. Definitely, some of you are dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see somebody was just hiding their feelings in the past. Like this person never really spoke about how do they feel. This person always used to battle their feelings. Like, you know how some people, they cannot really express and then they keep you guessing as to where you stand with them. So I see, yeah, again, see. I just flipped the deck and it was Four of Pentacles with the Six of Cups. So someone from your past is actually frustrating you a lot because this person has been hiding their feelings. This person has a lot of feelings with the Six of Cups. Some of you guys are childhood sweethearts, high school sweethearts, or maybe you guys work together. There is a sense of nostalgia, right? So you guys date back to some time, and I see there's been feelings. Some of you definitely a water sign, earth sign, fire sign. So far we could not see the air sign so far, but we'll see if that shows. So I see that somebody is a pro in hiding their feelings. This person is very, very secretive and they keep you guessing. And that is something which frustrates you a lot because you have a lot of feelings, you have a lot of a sense of nostalgia attached to this situation, and they not speaking up to you just makes you go crazy. You're like, what the hell is wrong with you? Why can't you just tell me straight up? And you know, Aquarius being an air sign, you guys just need things very straight up. If you have feelings, you tell it to the other person very straight up, and you expect the same from others. But this person not giving you things straight up is really frustrating. Yeah, see, again, somebody's inconsistency and somebody's inability to express things straight up is frustrating you. With the Seven of Cups and the Two of Pentacles, I see this person was either juggling you or they were just having other people in the picture. Some of you, this person is like they have hallucination problems. Sorry, maybe they get hallucinations because Seven of Cups is a card of hallucination. So some of you, this person, they really have hallucinations. Like they just do not have a clear mind. They have a hard time making a decision, and it's not only you. Like this person can never make a straight up decision in any area of their life. With the Two of Pentacles, I definitely see you dealing with a juggler, and this person is frustrating the fuck out of you. Some of you, this person is also talking to multiple people online, and that is why you have a hard time trusting this person because you're like, this bitch is a hoe. Right? So there you go. Can't make a man out of a hoe. It's that kind of situation, you know? Alright, give me what is Aquarius's feelings for this person. Or can't make a woman out of a hoe, alright? Because some men will come after me in the comment section, I know that. I'm not gender biased, don't worry about it. Yeah, Ten of Wands. Your feelings about this is overdrained. You are overdrained with this person. You were really hoping for a be-all and all. Some of you, this person is a husband or a wife of yours. You were really hoping for a be-all and all with this person, but they are confused as fuck, and they are confusing you as fuck. This person being very, very secretive. Very secretive. You're not able to decide what to do, whether to stay or whether to go on. Some of you also feel that I had put so much hard work, or I have been putting in so much work. Is it even worth it? You feel that, is it even worth it to stay back and put in so much effort? Because this person not giving you any clarity. With the Two of Swords again, they're not giving you any clarity. So slowly and gradually you're trying to move on. That's what the Ten of Wands is. You're slowly, gradually doing things, moving on. Hermit card and Nine of Cups with the Page of Cups. Page of Cups again. So I see that you're trying to distance yourself from the drama, and for the time being, you're trying to focus on something else. Some of you, you're trying to make your wishes come into truth because you might be focusing on your money, stability, or you had some long lost plans that you really wanted to work upon. And finally, after going through all of this, now you're making time for yourself and you're focusing on your own goals and ambitions and you're trying to go after them. Some of you manifesting money or some of you manifesting stability. I see that's going to come in. And as far as communication is concerned, you want a communication, but you're not waiting there. All right. I see that you're very, very, very focused on your money or stability these days. Like seriously, Eight of Pentacles, you guys working really hard and achieving things. You know, it's not only that you're putting in the work and not getting anything out of it. It's like you're putting in the work and you're getting out of the results. Getting out of it the results. I can't speak. What is up? And with the Page of Cups, I see this person is coming towards you with communication. What is the intention of this person coming towards Aquarius with communication? What is the intention? In the past, they were juggling you and now they want to communicate. What's the intention? Why do they want to communicate? Ace of Cups. Ooh. Ooh. Eight of Cups. Ooh. Oh my God. So this person that ghosted you, left you, did not say a word. Four of Pentacles was not telling you what it is. I see they want to express their feelings. Some of you, this person definitely has feelings, but they kind of hide it. They try to hide their feelings very, very hard. I don't know. Your person has a problem communicating their feelings. In the past, they thought that if I will hide my feelings, that's going to be the best thing in the world and somebody is going to come and give me a prize for that. Now they realize they cannot go like that and they need to speak up. So there is an urgency in someone to come forward and speak. They are coming in with communication very urgently. Like urgently they want to tell you something. They also have overflowing emotions. So some of you expect an overflowing emotion kind of communication. Like this person is going to be super emotional when they talk to you, or they are going to be very expressive. And you'll be like, are you the same bitch who never opened their mouth in the past? What happened to you now? So yeah, I see that. Somebody was very, very guarded, but now they want to speak up. Now they want to speak up. And all of this has really stressed you out. Like really, really. Because of that, you start focusing on something. Some of you, you have gone out of social media. You don't talk to anybody. You're focusing on yourself, educating yourself. You know, Hermit card can also be you learning a skill, you learning something and bettering yourself, finding your own light. Some of you also healing, finding your own light, because Hermit is someone who basically follows his own path. Like he first makes the path and then he follows himself. He does not have a guru outside. Like he just tried to find the light within and then follow his own path. So some of you making your own path and following your own self. Working really, really hard, by the way. And just isolating from the whole freaking world. Some of you, your friends, your family is guessing as to where are you these days, because you're just off the radar. And that is because you're trying to better yourself. You're trying to heavily, heavily focus on your money. Some of your money was a problem in the past. And you were saving for something, maybe to buy a home or invest somewhere. I see you getting in a better position with the Eight of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups. Okay, give me some more love messages. Seven of Pentacles. You feel that it's better to focus on self rather than fighting for somebody. What's the point? You feel, what's the point of me going and fighting for somebody's attention? Let me just focus on myself. Let me build myself. So your perspective has shifted majorly because of this person's nasty behavior. You have realized your self-worth and you're working on yourself, and universe is compensating you really well for that. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Whatever hard work you're putting in, some of you, whatever hard work you have been putting in since last 8 to 9 weeks or months, it's going to yield results. So don't worry about it. And the good thing is that instead of fighting for this person's attention or instead of chasing them, you just started working on yourself. You were like, fuck you, I'll just work on myself. Why do I chase you? So you're very, very focused on your stability, making things happen for yourself, and it is coming in. I see very beautiful, very empowering reading here. Okay, what happened in the past between Aquarius and this person? What was the obstacle? King of Wands. Your relationship could not materialize into commitment. You were really hoping for a commitment, but I see this could not because somebody was very egoistic, and for others of you, this person had a hard time communicating their feelings. So they were hiding their feelings a lot. Again, King of Wands is somebody who's very flirtatious, but when it comes to commitment, he does not know how to handle it. And this person is very in and out. King of Wands is not a commitment card in tarot. And your person was just not behaving the right way in the past, and that basically led to separation. Okay, give me some future energy moving into August for Aquarius. Six of Swords. Some of you traveling, moving places. But for others of you, I see that mentally you are going to get in a very stable position. Like physically, some of you might be traveling. For others of you, I see mentally you're going to reach at a very stable position. Like things have been worrying you lately. That's why you just basically isolated yourself. And you were trying to heal yourself. I see that healing is going to be completed in August. And you're going to reach at a much, much stable position. I see things are going to unfold very beautifully for you. So you are getting into calm waters. Whatever is troubling you will not trouble you anymore. And I see somebody has been really, really trying very hard not to express themselves to you. In the past, they have done the same, but now they feel a sense of urgency and they feel that they really need to come towards you and express. Otherwise, you'll be gone. Nine of Pentacles, your money is improving. I see that you have become a whole lot new person. Like you have changed. This person basically changed you so much that you started prioritizing yourself. You started recognizing your self-worth. You have leveled up a lot in past 6 to 7 months, I believe. Some of you wanted to be an entrepreneur, you wanted to be a business person, and I see that after all of this, you become so financially stable, or you're on the process that you will have a lot of money and you will be able to take that leap towards having your own business. For others of you, you've already started business and now I see things are working for you. Your money is increasing very big time. Like big time your money is increasing, I see. What the fuck is wrong with my English? I don't know what has happened. I cannot speak. I'm so sorry. Your money is increasing big time. And I see you've manifested. You really manifested a new beginning, a stable position in your life. And I see that you've come from a hard place. But the good thing is that you never gave up. And you were really fighting. With the Seven of Pentacles, you were working your ass off. And I see it's paying back very beautifully. This is beautiful reading, Justice card. You were really hoping for justice, Aquarius. You felt that this person cheated you, or they never valued you, or they never gave you what you deserved. And I see universe is doing justice for you. The divine justice card is here, which is so beautiful, so beautiful. And whatever you have been working upon, especially in finances or business or whatever, I see that it is giving you big results. Some of you were also learning skills, and I see that those skills are going to pay you off really, really well. Like you were investing time, you basically isolated yourself from everything, and you were focusing on yourself, self-development, healing, leveling yourself up, and I see that's really paying you off. Like today someone was asking me, shall I do this course? Can you do a tarot reading for me? And I was like, just close your eyes and go for the course. Whatever you can learn from wherever, you should always go. Like I was reading these, there was a post that habits of 7-figure entrepreneurs, and one of the habit was that 7-figure entrepreneurs keep learning. They just keep learning, whatever it is, because no skill is a waste of time. You can never say that I learned this and it never served me. It does not happen. You will always realize that somewhere it's going to help you, and it's always good to have knowledge in life. So some of you were really gaining knowledge from so many different ways, and I see it's going to pay you off really, really well. And I see definitely somebody approaching you because there's a sense of urgency. Somebody urgently wants to talk to you. Right, give me a message for Aquarius for August, please. Codependency and oh my god, see, forgiving and learning. Somebody was just, they were very codependent. Like they were having addiction problems. They were not making a decision. They were just trying to hang in the position, the relationship. They were not telling you what it is, because of which you were feeling very, very stuck. And I see this person was just ruining their life, your life, but now they want a forgiveness from you. This person, as I said, there's a sense of urgency. They want to come forward and apologize. And this is what it is. They have learned their lesson and they want your forgiveness. Aquarius, free yourself. You are trying to free yourself regardless. Some of you feel it's a waste of time. And some of you are manifesting a relationship, or you manifested this person coming back, whatever it is you call it, or you will get it. So yeah, that was your reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.